Okay, now we're gonna talk about the sequence edit function. First, we make a sequence line. And here we're gonna introduce the function of quickly copying the sequence. Right-click on the grid icon, select General, set the horizontal and vertical copying space, and then select the sequence. Hold down the Alt and one of the 4 arrow keys, such as we choose to hold down the up arrow key, and the sequence will be copied quickly. Next, we will do the sequence edit operation. Click the sequence edit icon. When you click the mouse, the sequence will show the selected state. Multiple selections can be performed by pressing Ctrl key and then select the sequence code in the toolbar. And then you can change the sequence. Another way to select sequence is to hold down Shift. Then all the sequence between the 2 stages will be selected, like this. We can also drag rectangle to select. Hold down the left mouse button, drag the rectangle. When the mouse button is released, the sequence in this area are selected. For complex graphic, we can also use polygons to select the sequence. Right-click on the sequence edit icon, left-click to enter. The sequence in the polygon are selected. There is also a way to edit the sequence. When we choose some sequence, we can also use the custom functions in the drop-down list to edit. Like this, we can set the sequence type, the repeat times, and the sequence mode. And then the sequence will be shown as you edit. Okay.